Guys, this is Sam Baker and welcome to my channel. And today is Wednesday here in the UK, which is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This is the 5th of February 2020, and today I would like to say thank you to that person that said hello to me today when I was going for shopping. I forgot your name and I'm really sorry, but thank you very much for approaching me, and thank you for letting me know that some people are really watching me, and thank you for your good comments as well and suggestion, and I'll take that on board. So yes, if I see you again, don't hesitate to say hello to me, and I'm really sorry, and I will next time I will remember your name. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you again next time. Just say hello when you see me. It's nice to see and to talk to people that actually watches my video, and which is really nice for a YouTuber that's starting just like myself. Yes, so today I'm gonna have to do a quick haul because I did some shopping this afternoon, and this is actually 4 o'clock in the afternoon here in the UK. I'm just gonna do a quick haul and just to have a rough idea how much we spent today, and what bargains we get today from Asda. And by the way, we went to Body Care as well today, which is really good, and that's a new shop here in UK. And I have some good like nail polish, and I have new face masks that we're going to try on as well. So yes, I'll put you here just now so you can see what I bought today in Asda. So yes, I hope you're having a good day today, because I do. And like what I said, I'm very happy that someone say hello to me in the street, and just to know, for a new YouTuber like myself to see and to know that there are really actually people watching you, and thank you for that. And yeah, like what I said, I'm gonna put on board, and I'm gonna make some of the vlogs more like what you're telling me a while ago about more ideas. I'll try to take that on board, and rest assured that you're gonna see more of my videos regarding facts about myself, so you'll know more about me, who I am, and what I am like, what I like to do, and everything about me. So watch out for the facts about Sam Baker. So yeah, but for now I have here some shopping, and I just want to give you a rough idea how much we spent today and watch what bargain we get today and the reduced price, because I've got a few. By the way, I'll start first with this one. This is already open because we open it on the way home, and this is a sausage roll, Cumberland sausage roll, which is 6 pieces from Asda, and we get this on the reduce, and this is only 67 pence, which was a £1 and 1p before, and this is now reduced to 67 pence. And like what I said, sausage rolls lovers like ourselves, Cumberland is really nice sausage, and this is used by February the 6th, which is tomorrow, so this is a good buy. So yeah, like what I said, this is 6 pieces, but I already ate 3 on the way home, so yeah, so that's a good buy. And as well, we bought here this one, which is a pork bar. This is actually this is pork pie, this one, and this was originally £1 and reduced to 69p, and now it's reduced to 46 pence. There you go. And there are 4 pieces for pork farm. These are pork. It's like if people that doesn't know, this is similar to pork bun, but this is like a pastry, and you can eat this one. I know the pork bun or the siopaw in the Philippines, you eat that, it's like in a soft bun, isn't it? But this one is like in a pastry, and this one is British made. And like what I said, really nice as well. They've got pork inside and in a pastry, and this is only 46p. It's reduced, so that's really good. We get that as well. And hang on, we get as well baked beans. This one is only 45 pence in Asda. We have as well here chicken. This is chicken portion, which is an Asda smart price as well. And this is in 1 kilo, and this is only £3.50. There you go. So this is good, like for stir fry, for your whatever chicken you're cooking. And these are all breast, by the way. They're all just white meat. And we have here as well, we have here red skin peanuts from Asda. And this is, I have to look at my receipt, and this one is 80 pence, this one, and this is on 200 grams. So yeah, in Philippines we call this mani peanuts, red skin peanuts, and they're in 200 grams, and this is only 80 pence, which is good. We bought as well Flora butter, and this is a light Flora butter, and this is on 250 grams, and this is only 59 pence in Asda. I use a lot of butter because I do a lot of baking, so I used a lot of butter. And light is good because especially if you're on a diet, and it's good you use the light. I have here as well the lemon sherbet from Asda, and this is only 80 pence as well. These are like candies. And we have here as well cottage cheese, but this is actually a Polish brand. If you see that, if you can see that, it's a Polish brand, that one there. But this is reduced to 29 pence, was 44 pence, but originally it was £1, and then it was reduced to 44, and now it's 29 pence. And they're cottage cheese, and they're really good. By the way, if you're wondering why does she have Polish food, we have here because especially here in London is a multicultural country. So we have people from Eastern Europe, Europeans, obviously British, Asians. So we've got everything. So in Asda, they have like a world food section wherein you can buy food from Asia, like China, Japan, Philippines, Hong Kong, Korea. We have as well Indian. We've got, like what I said, European, from Poland and all that, Czech Republic, everything. So it's really good in here, especially in Asda. We've got everything. So like I said, this is a Polish brand, and this is 29 pence cottage cheese. And we have here as well, this is a bargain. This is very good. This is actually a Scotch beef joint. This is originally £10 and 2 pence. That one there, if you can see it. And this is now £7 and 51. Can you see that? I don't know why you're going dark, but it's £7 and 51. So that's really good. And we use a lot of this. Oops, we use a lot of this for our roast. That's why we bought this one. Right? And then we have here as well. We have here as well stir fry, vegetable stir fry from Asda, and this is actually 500 grams, and this is £1. And we use this one with our stir fry, chicken stir fry cooking, and they're good and more cheaper if you're getting them from the frozen. But I guess it's the same anyway, you know. The only thing is because it's frozen. And this one you can use them, if you don't use them all, you can keep them again and then take them out if you need a few of them. You see, so they're really good, and they're more cheaper than getting the fresh vegetables. So if you're in the budget, this is very good. And we have here as well this one, which is a pineapple slices. This one, and this is very good. This is in 227 grams, this one, and this is only 50 pence. And this is pineapple slices from Asda. I use this one for my baking, so I'm gonna show you later on. If you stand by and keep on watching, I'm going to show you how I make my pineapple upside down. So, yeah, so that's what we need. It's the one ingredient. And this is only 50 pence in Asda. And we have here as well Demerara sugar, this one, and this is on, oh, it spills a bit, and this is on, hang on, 500 grams, right? I'm gonna wipe this off. This is 500 grams Demerara sugar, and they're only 75 pence from Asda. So yeah. And we have here as well, that's not good. A spill. And so that's our Asda one. So we spend in Asda 17 pounds and where's my list? We spend in Asda 17 pounds and 24 pence. That's what we spent today. And I went as well earlier on in body care, wherein I bought a few beauty essentials, which I'm gonna feature in my vlogs as well. I bought here, by the way, this one, I bought this one from Wilko, and this is 3 pounds only. This is the bold 2-in-1 lavender and chamomile, and this is all 888 mils, which is only 3 pounds, which originally this is 5 pounds. So this is a good buy. I get this from Wilko, by the way, and you can get different varieties of smell. They have the different one as well, but I prefer this one. And they're really good for washing your clothes and that. So I recommend this one. This is only 3 quid, which is a good buy. And if it's not under reduced, this is 5 pounds. So this is good. So go to Wilko, they're only 3 quid. And like what I'm talking about, I talk too much, but anyway, I talk about body care. There's a new shop here in the UK, and it's all about body care. It's like a shop where you can get all stuff with, like, for your hair, for your skin, for body lotion, all the essentials for beauty care and toiletries. That's the right place to go. And I'm telling you, I bought a few stuff today because they're really cheap in there. So I bought today this one, which is a glitter. It's called Technique. This is a natural nail polish, and this is only cost me £1 for this one. Because if you see my nails, is needing done. So I'm going to do them as well today. And that only cost me £1 in body care. And I bought as well this one. This is intriguing. This is a 7 Heaven as well. It's a cannabis sativa peel off mask. And this one helps reduce blemishes, easy peel mask. And this is a very good brand. If you've seen my video about the 7 Heaven, I never tried this one. This is a cannabis sativa peel off. Cannabis, but this is for your face. This is a peel off face mask, and this only cost me £1. So I'm gonna try that in one of my videos, to keep an eye on that and see how we get on with this one. And I bought here as well brightening sheet mask, and this one, a face wax brightening, helps tone skin and brighten complexion, enriched with pomegranate and rose flower oil. And this is in 2 sachets actually, so I can use this in 2 use. And you've got all the instructions at the back and everything about it. And actually this is a product of Britain, product of UK. See, you've got 2, 1 and 2 sheet masks. And for this 2, I only spent, for these 2, I spent 99 pence. Would you believe that? 99 pence for 2 sheets. So yeah, I haven't tried this product before, so we're gonna do a separate video with that, and I'll let you know how I get on, if they're good face masks, because nowadays every woman, or most women, using face masks. So yeah, so we're gonna try this one, and we're gonna try as well this 7 Heaven, which is the cannabis. So we're gonna try that in a separate video. So yeah, and I bought this one as well. This one is a hair color, salon fashion hair color, and this is Derma V10, and this is only for coverage for roots, because I needing my roots done. So I think I'm just gonna do this until I go to the salon again and have my hair done. But for now, I think I'm just gonna do them myself, and I'm gonna try this. I've never tried this one, so I'm gonna do a patch test. And this is only 99 pesos in body care, so which is really good. So yeah, so that's all I've got today. That's all we've got in shopping today. And yeah, and all later on, I'll be doing some baking and I'll be doing my nails. So yeah, so keep an eye on that. But yeah, so I hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and share as well. And I'll see you again for my next one. Enjoy the rest of your day and thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.